What's happening, YouTube? It's your boy Tech TRX back in another video, and today we're looking at the Stella by Cozy, and this one is the coffee table slash center table that you can use in your homes just like this, and it has a bit of a twist and it has a nice addition as well. Today we're going to show you how well it does. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell, and if you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. I definitely would tell you guys that this is recommended for people who wants a minimalist slash a modern design to your home. But anyways, we're gonna show you the box and we're gonna unbox it. We're gonna review it as well, show you the assembly and how easy it is to assemble. So here we go. One of the best things about Cozy is that they put this colored and basically very detailed version of on the instructions here, so that you won't miss any detail whatsoever. All the functions and the instructions on how to assemble the tables are all here, and as you could see, I've never seen anything like this on any company. Only Cozy does this kind of instruction manual, and you're definitely not gonna get lost. And as soon as you open the box, the top part of the table is already pre-assembled, so you don't have to do another step for that. The box only comes with the legs for the table, and that's all you need to install. It also comes with thumb screws. So the thumb screws is the one that will attach to the bottom to attach the legs on your table, which is really easy to do. You don't need any tools whatsoever. Now, if you are attaching 2 tables or 3 tables, whatever, together, then you will align them on the middle like so. And then the holes for the screw holes for the legs will align like this. And then the legs are the ones that are attaching the tables together. So that's really it. There's no complications here. The holes will align, and there's no other way to really do it. This is the only way that you could do it. But if you have a single table, it'll just line up to the holes as well. So it's really dummy proof, really good. The Stella lift up tables are fully modular and designed to fit any space of any size. Customizable opening directions allow for maximum flexibility while entertaining during work from home sessions or while enjoying a meal. Convenient storage sections between the top and the bottom trays will keep your essentials neatly in one place. Now, the key features of these Stella lift-up tables is that it is tool-free, like I mentioned earlier. It has a nice wood finish. It has a liftable tabletop with safety locks, and it has shock absorbers allow for a soft closing tabletop. It has one or more units as well that could be combined together, as mentioned earlier. It has a configuration for units to open in a direction of your choice. Storage compartments as well in the middle. It has a sturdy black metal legs, and they are metal legs. And the max weight capacity when it's open is 15 kilograms. When it is closed, is 40 kilograms. The table's measurement is 600 centimeters by 600 centimeters, which is about 2 feet, 2 by 2 feet right there. The opening in the middle is about 15.5 inches to 5 inches tall, as you could see there. The table also has about a foot of clearance on the bottom. Now, this is really good as well when you are trying to move. Let's say you live in an apartment and you want to move places. This is easy to move because it is very modular. You just take off the legs and you'll be able to fit this on any car you want. You don't need a truck or anything like that. Usually coffee tables get with something like this, and with the lift up top coffee tables, they get very heavy, but this one's very doable as long as you keep them separate during the move. and then you could put it back really easily without using any tools whatsoever once you are in the next house. So definitely recommend this for people who, who are minimalist and you don't have enough space for things. This is very modular and it has very multifunctional as well. You can use it for studying. Maybe you are working from home. These are the things that you can use this for. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button as well, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Also, I have a review of the Stella Cozy but the media unit, so if you want to see that, I'll link this down below as well. Make sure to go ahead and check that out if you are looking for a media unit. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace!